Hi guys! In today's video, I'm showing you how to add text in Capcut. The process is straightforward and effortless. As you can see, I import my media in Capcut, and it's a picture, not a video. But the method of adding text is same for both. So by following my method, you can add text in your video if you want. So let's get started. All you have to do is, after uploading your media in Capcut and dragging it to the editing section, you can see a lot of option on the left, media, audio, and on the third number, text. Simply tap on this option text. And here is all the pre-made text with selected font and colors. You just have to select which you like the most. For me, I will select this default. So the only things I have to do is tap on this default and drag this to the editing section. Now, on the right side, you can see a box here. I have to write my own text. Just for example, I will write, "Welcome." And now, how can you arrange the position of the text? Tap on this text and arrange it wherever you want. Also, adjust the size. If you take a look on each corner of this text, there are 4 points. Now tap on one of these points and do this. You can also add some color in the text. Just select the text. And here's the option. Tap on it and select the color for your text. And here's the option bold. If you tap on it, then your text will be bold. As you can see, it's bold a bit, not too much. And here's the option. Underline, tap on it and add an underline in the text. And here's the option italic. After tapping on it, your text will be italic. And if you want each character to be capital, then tap on this option. As you can see now, each character of this word is capital. So it was the fundamental way by which you can add text in Capcut.